Welcome to the Economic Review for February 7th, 2026. We begin with a detailed market overview. On February 7th, 2026, market conditions reflect a notable recovery in global valuations. The current reference stands at $4,954.92 per ounce, following a period of heightened volatility. This move represents a near 4% recovery as market participants respond to evolving geopolitical conditions and recent risk-off sentiment. Next, let's examine the key macroeconomic indicators. Macro indicators show the dollar index holding at 97.63, while the U.S. 10-year Treasury yield has stabilized at 4.21%. This moderation in yields follows softer labor market data, reinforcing expectations for potential monetary policy adjustments later in the year. We now turn to recent policy and trade developments. Recent policy actions have contributed to increased uncertainty across global markets. A newly signed executive order has established a framework for tariffs related to trade with Iran, effective February 7, 2026. Historically, similar developments have acted as catalysts for safe haven asset allocation. On February 7, 2026, additional tariffs on Indian goods were officially removed following a strategic energy agreement. This development is expected to influence global physical trade flows and broader supply dynamics. Finally, an analysis of technical reference levels and capital flows. Momentum indicators show the relative strength index positioned at a neutral reading of 52. This suggests earlier oversold conditions have been absorbed, with price activity transitioning into a more balanced phase above the $4,900 level. Geopolitical data continues to indicate active reserve diversification. Holdings within the BRICS bloc remain a key structural factor, with continued accumulation aimed at reducing exposure to debt-based currencies through the end of 2026. Technical reference levels identify a pivot point at $4,920. Immediate support is observed near $4,870 and $4,800, while resistance toward $5,120 represents a key reference zone. The broader rising price structure remains intact. In conclusion, we summarize today's market movements. February 7, 2026 reflects renewed safe haven demand alongside significant developments in trade policy and macroeconomic indicators. Thank you for viewing this educational market review. This content is for educational reporting only and is not financial advice. Subscribe for daily market reports.